so blue. I don't know what came over me. I'm so blue. I don't know what came over me. I'm so blue. I don't know what came over me. I'm so blue. I don't know what to do. Can somebody help me, please? I've tuned the guitar to the usual manner, which I ain't done. I ain't done in over 2 years or so, and I've gone real close to the studio camera, and I've been listening to songs that remind me of my mother, my poor mother, when she fell, broke her hip.